Hi everybody, today's top tip video is about how to make your vacuum work more efficiently by, you've guessed it, getting out all of the fluff and hair etc. inside your vacuum. So if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you did. Thank you so much. Now these vacuums, and we have a lot of vacuums like this now that are bagless, and they work by the air flowing through the vacuum. So when the upper part, which you're going to see shortly, is clogged with fluff and hair or string, etc., anything that can wrap around that filter, the airflow can't go through and it won't suck as efficiently, or it may stop sucking up the bits altogether. See, there you go. Look at all my hair tangled around the filter with all the fluff, which is blocking the filter. So make sure you unblock this completely before using your vacuum again, and you'll find the suction should dramatically improve. Thank you so much for watching.